How to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings like icon and your settings will be opened. After you've done that, simply click on Account Center. In Account Center, you'll find Password and Security. Click on Password and Security. Then click on Two-Factor Authentication. Select your Facebook account and then go to Authentication app. And here you'll find option of Authentication app. Simply turn that off. Click on Turn Off and your two-factor authentication will be turned off. This is how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.